Let's transform these new Dollar Tree finds into high-end designer-inspired decor that rivals the look of Ballard Designs, Ralph Lauren, MacKenzie-Childs, and more. Welcome to CEJDIY. I am C. I grabbed 8 pieces of this new hanging wooden beaded decor from Dollar Tree, and simply I am just removing the back part with these beaded tassels that we can use in our future projects. After I remove them all, very easy with my plier, I will turn them into a designer look. Now that I have clean 8 wooden tiles, I will paint 4 of them with these new neutral paint colors from Dollar Tree in this mocha paint color. And the other 4, I will leave them as they are. Now that they're all painted and dry, I will put them together with my other white tiles, creating a pattern and connecting them with a tight bond glue for a sturdy hold and a hot glue for immediate hold into this amazing checkered design. Very easy, no skill needed. Anybody can do and create this beautiful look in any color you prefer to do. And to finish off this look, I will add these scallop wooden edges and turn this pattern into a nice tray. And I created so many creations with these scallop wooden edges on my previous episodes. Check them all out and you will see all those new designs that you can create with this wooden scalloped framing that I purchased from Amazon. And when you combine them with Dollar Tree items, you can turn them into a designer viral looks for your home. And when I tell you we can create similar looks like those designer trays, I'm not joking. And to complete the look, I gave it a little distressing on the outside part, and that's it. These beaded or bubble planters can be a bit pricey and they're very popular these days. And Dollar Tree is selling similar like those for only $1.25, and with some nice paint we can turn them into a designer look. I added 2 good coats with this DIY weathered wood color. I let it dry. I added some real leaves and some pics from my bouquets, and look at this beautiful look that we created. Those ceramic trays are new at Dollar Tree. If you see them, grab them. I grabbed a couple of them in a round and a square shape, and I decided to use these new iron orchid transfers that they're called the Belgravia. I'm scrolling to see which will fit perfect into my round plates and which on my square ones. And when I combine them all together with these saucers and cups, it will look into an amazing wall art collection. Now that I have transfers that I like, I'm removing the backing part on the transfer, adding it into my plate, and releasing the header sheet with a scraping tool until the whole transfer is added on my surface. Very easy, in less than few seconds, we have a new look for those ceramic plates. I am even showing you that I didn't even use the scraping tool on my second plate. I just used my nails just to release that header sheet, and we have an amazing, beautiful look for those plates. When we combine them all together with those saucers, cups, teapots, birds, and those simple Dollar Tree ceramic plates will be transformed into a stunning gallery wall by incorporating a delicate IOD transfers and creating a sophisticated and artistic focal point. And after I add all those transfers on my plates, to seal them, I will add a DIY clear wax, and also we can even add some picture frames for our square plates so we can have the mixture of art on our wall gallery, and either way will look like we spent a fortune. Who knew Dollar Tree could look this elegant? These delicate flower-inspired wall accents are the perfect touch to elevate our home decor, adding a bit of a floral charm to the walls. Today, I am so impressed with how these finds from Dollar Tree, they can bring such a lovely, intricate detail to the space. Proof that you don't need a huge budget to make a statement. These stunning flower-like wall pieces from Dollar Tree are exactly the fresh addition our wall decor needed. And my darlings, we came to the end of this episode. Let me know which of those looks you like the best. For any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this content and for more, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hype. And until next time, my darlings, stay blessed from me to you. Bye-bye.